Good day everyone. I am Dr. Veenu, cardiologist from Apollo Hospital, Mysore. I'm here today to talk to you about heart disease, mainly in young patients. This is on behalf of the World Heart Month, in view of the World Heart Day, which is coming on September 29th. So we all know that Indians are more prone to heart disease, especially heart attacks, because when we look at Europeans, they generally develop heart attack after the age of 60, but it is 10 years younger in Indians because our genetics are bad, and when we add risk factors to these bad genetics, then heart attacks happen even much earlier, like before 40 years of age even. So what are the reasons why heart attack happens in young individuals? And sometimes they don't even have any definitive risk factors. So there are many reasons, especially in the COVID era. We can't forget COVID, because COVID in itself causes high risk of clot formation in the body. So hence the reason why we say patients who have COVID or are prone to develop COVID have to be very active, drink a lot of water. So these things will prevent to some extent clot formation, but we can't completely prevent it unless we give them medications. That is the first thing. Apart from these, there are certain other factors which are very important, like smoking. Smoking is a very, very important risk factor for heart attack. So when we see patients at 28 years and 30 years developing heart attack, we definitely know they are either into drugs or they are smokers, because they may not have any other risk factor to develop heart attack. It is only the smoking or drug abuse. Okay. The other thing that has come out recently is air pollution. We are all very aware of the global warming, and that we need to definitely do something very early for us to save the environment. Same is true because that air pollution has also affected the blood vessels of the heart and different parts of the body, and hence there is a high chance of heart attack among drivers, especially in the metropolitan cities, which is very clearly proven that young drivers develop heart attack without any other risk factors, only because of air pollution. So these are all few things. So it is important for us to wear masks if we are in really polluted cities, air polluted cities, or some other ways of having clean air for ourselves. So there are masks available which will even prevent very small 99.9% removal of all these particles which are harmful for us. So those type of masks have to be worn. Apart from this, we have to follow our regular patterns, in the sense have a good healthy lifestyle, have regular exercise every day, have a healthy diet, control risk factors. One, control stress, control high blood pressure, control cholesterol levels, and control diabetes. So all this wholesomely, when we do it, we will prevent heart attacks in the future. So to a healthy heart and healthy society, thank you.